My name is Morgan. I am 66 years old. My life is very quiet now. My wife, Eleanor, died 3 years ago. The house is big and silent without her. I have one daughter. Her name is Clara. She is my whole world. She is smart and beautiful, just like her mother. She is my reason to wake up in the morning. But Clara lives far away. She has an important job in another country. I am very proud of her, but I miss her every single day. The quiet house feels even quieter because she is not here. My life has a simple routine. I wake up early. I make 1 cup of coffee. I sit in the quiet kitchen. I look at the pictures on the wall. A picture of Eleanor. A picture of Clara. My 2 beautiful girls. After breakfast, I work in my garden. The garden was Eleanor's favorite place. Now it is my special place. Now it is my special place. I talk to the flowers. I think about my wife. I think about my daughter. My daughter called me last week. It was her last call. I did not answer the phone. That day was a beautiful spring day. The sun was warm on my back. I was in the garden. I was planting new red flowers. My hands were dirty with soil. I felt happy. I felt peaceful. I heard my phone ring inside the house. I saw it was a video call from my Clara. A big smile came to my face. I loved her video calls. But my hands were dirty. I was in the middle of my work. I thought, I will finish this first. I will call her back in an hour. It was a simple thought. A normal thought. It was the biggest mistake of my life. The phone stopped ringing. I continued my work in the garden. The sun felt good. The flowers looked beautiful. I was happy. I did not know that my world was about to end. Later, I went inside. I washed my hands. I picked up my phone. I saw the missed call. I sent Clara a message. I wrote, "Hello, sweetheart. Sorry I missed your call. I was in the garden. I will call you tonight. I love you." She never read that message. The next morning, the phone rang again. I thought it was Clara. I answered with a happy voice. I said, "Hello, my girl." But it was not Clara's voice. It was a man's voice. A sad, serious voice. He was a friend of Clara's. He said there was an accident. A car accident. He said my daughter was gone. The phone fell from my hand. The world stopped. My heart stopped. No. It was not possible. My Clara. My beautiful girl. Gone. The next few days were a blur. A dark, painful blur. People came to the house. They brought food. They said sad words. I did not hear them. I was in a fog of pain. But under the pain, there was something worse. There was guilt. A heavy, terrible guilt. The missed call. Her last call. I did not answer. What did she want to tell me? Was she scared? Did she need me? Did she just want to see her old father's face one last time? This question was a knife in my heart. It twisted every day, every night. Weeks passed. The flowers in the garden started to die. I did not take care of them. I did not take care of myself. I just sat in the quiet house. I was lost in my grief and my guilt. One day, a box arrived. It was from Clara's apartment. It contained her things, some books, some pictures, and her laptop. I could not touch it for a long time. It was too painful. It was a piece of her, a piece of the life she lost. Finally, one rainy afternoon, I opened the laptop. It turned on. The screen lit up. The background picture was a photo of us. We were in my garden. We were both laughing. Tears ran down my face. My hand was shaking. I moved the mouse. I looked at her files. Pictures. Documents. Music. Nothing important. Then I saw it. A single video file on the desktop. It was separate from everything else. The file name was simple. It just said, "For Dad." My heart jumped. For Dad. For me. I clicked on the file. The video player opened. And then her face appeared. My Clara. She was smiling. She was in her apartment. She looked happy and beautiful. She looked directly at the camera. It felt like she was looking directly at me. She started to speak. Her voice filled the silent room. She said, "Hi, Dad. I just wanted to make this for you. I don't say these things enough. And I wanted you to have them." She talked for 10 minutes. She talked about her childhood. She talked about memories. Funny memories. Happy memories. She thanked me. She thanked me for teaching her how to ride a bike. She thanked me for helping her with her homework. She said, "Dad, you are the best man I know. You worked so hard for me and Mom. You gave me everything. You taught me how to be strong and kind. Everything good in me comes from you and Mom." Tears were streaming down my face. But they were not tears of guilt. They were tears of love. At the end of the video, she smiled her beautiful smile. She said, "I just wanted you to know how much I love you. I love you more than words can say, Dad. I will talk to you soon." The video ended. The screen went black. But the room was not empty. It was full of her love. The heavy guilt in my heart was gone. She was not calling me with a problem. She was not scared. She just wanted to say, "I love you." And now, I had her words forever. That video saved my life. It did not take away the sadness. I still missed her every day. But it took away the terrible guilt. 1 year later. It is the anniversary of her death. But it is not a day of darkness. It is a day of love and memory. I take my small tablet into the garden. The sun is warm. The new flowers are beautiful. I sit on the bench. I play her video. I see her smile. I hear her voice. And I smile too. After the video, a small tree in my hands. A young, strong apple tree. I dig a hole in the rich soil. I place the tree carefully in the ground. This tree is for Clara. It will grow strong and beautiful, just like her. Her memory is not a painful ghost anymore. It is a living, beautiful part of my garden. It is a living, beautiful part of me.